Beauty, a Peter teacher, and Maruka. I am the beautiful Taka parrot. In the end of the jungle. Look at my parrot, red, yellow, and green. I live in big forest. I fly very high, and in the sky I eat fruits and seeds everywhere. Today I am very sad because people are cutting teeth. Please don't eat cat in charges. We are not nice. Let us fight freely in the sky. Save this, save back, save us. Thank you.